Hello everyone, my name is D.Sai Avinash, civil engineering student from Marri Reddy Institute of Technology and Management, Hyderabad. Today I am going to explain foundation design, which is a project assignment for Skyfi Labs online course. This is the mat footing for a building which we have designed in Safe software. Let me discuss briefly from the initial steps. First, we are going to define the materials HYSD 500 and M40 concrete, and then we also define slab properties which is of 500 mm. The material used for slab is M40 and the type is mat type. And we also define the column properties. In this we use two types of columns. One is of 500 and by 500 mm and the other is 600 by 600. We also define soil subgrade properties in which we use 3 plus 04 and click it on OK. We also need to check the load patterns and load cases. And we have two types of load combinations in which one is of scale factor 1.5 and 1.5 and the other is of scale factor 1 and 1. In this we design the services normal, initial and long term. Click on OK. Initially we have to give the grid lines and each of 1 meter apart. The outer columns are of 500 by 500 mm and the inner 4 are of 600 by 600 mm. First we have to assign the property for footing, which is slab property, and we have to give. After we draw the footing, we have to expand by 2 meters on each side by going to edit menu. Here, as we already done it, it is not showing here. We also give dead and live loads on each different columns. Here the each different column has different dead and live loads, but the dimensions of inner 4 columns is same and the outer all is same. We have to give their dead and live loads, and then we also have to give material for footing, rebar material, and also for strips, which we have drawn from the center of the columns horizontally and also vertically. We draw the strips from draw design strips in both horizontal and vertical directions and also give their materials. Once we complete with this, we can cross check by right clicking on that and seeing the loads which are applied on different columns and also footings. We can also click on the strips so that we will get different rebar materials. Now we have to run analysis. It is done. Now go to run analysis and design. Go to display and show punching shear design. Here the value of shear exceeds 1. It means it is a failure. So first unlock the model and define the slab properties. Modify it. Change to 900 mm and click on OK. We also have to run now. Still some columns are having the shear punching force greater than 1. So once again we need to unlock, go to define slab properties, modify, Change this to 1200 mm. Click on OK. Now run the analysis. Go to run analysis and design. You can display. Now the every value is less than 1, which is the safe condition. We can go. These values less than 1 says that this is suitable columns of say dimensions and slab properties. Now after completion of this, mark these labels show width and show status. Click on OK. From this you can look the strip widths, how it is been drawn. Now go to display, click on show strip forces. Once we have to remove this and click on OK so that we get the normal one, and go to display, show strip forces. You can apply different movement layer. Here the movement is along layer A and you can see at every point. If you apply it on layer B, it will be vertical. You can see the movements on every point. Now close it. Now go to display, show slab design. Here also we can see different. Click on impose minimum and apply. Now you can see in the horizontal direction every point by moving your mouse on that. If you keep this on layer B and apply, you can see on the vertical side. Close this, go to display, show slab forces by stresses. Here we can see the different components for, let's see, M maximum. Click on apply. You can see the maximum movement where it occurs. Now go to display and click on show crack widths. Click on apply. Now you can see the different crack widths, and you can also compare it from this color chart where the red is maximum little more and the blue is less one. In this way you can see the crack widths everywhere on the. Now go to detailing and click on drawing sheets. For a complete detailing, go to run, click on run detailing, select all three and click on OK. Now you can see the drawing components on different one, and also the go to slabs view. From this individual slab views, mat 1, you can see the rebar plan. This is the reinforcement profile in the layer A, and you can click on reinforcement profile layer B for vertical. In this way you can see the different detailings of the project. Thank you.